Okay, we got some birds diving in the water, so that's a good sign. We're stopping. Yeah, something's up. Ooh. Oh, that was a fish right there. Yes. Yeah, you're going to get something. We're in the midst of some feeding something anyway. Little shads, I don't know. I think we kind of scared the seagulls, so they're still around, but they ain't diving now. Or that way, huh?
Oh, I was a tap.
You got a hit?
Yeah. I think it was really long. There,
Oh,
there it went.
Missed it?
Yeah. Oh, it's back.
Oh, it's back. Oh, good. I knew there was fish here by the feeding frenzy. Cool.
Biggest fish, little fish.
Yeah. Yeah, he ain't a big one, but he's a good one.
Oh.
Another one jumped right there, so I wonder what they're chasing. Yours hit a bottom walker, I see.
Yeah, I wanted to imitate a little fish, yeah. Well, there you go. There's my little guy.
Nice.
Not bad. Okay, well, going back in. Ooh.
Okay, another one just got off.
Just got off.
Little guy, though.
Yeah. Do you see? Look, they're busting right here in the water up. Definitely surrounded by some bait fish and some.
Yeah, all the birds are still around, so that's good. Let's get a good one.
Yeah. So if there's a big guy in the mix.
These fish are busting shad. We now see what it is, so. Well, put on a chrome rattle trap and you're going to get hooked up a lot.
Yeah.